This is the homework quiz for week number 13, and this is the fourth video. And here we're looking at two positive numbers and a subtraction problem, but the second number is bigger than the first. So in problem number 4, we have 29 minus 57, and in number 13, we have 37 minus a larger number, 49. So in each of these, we're going to have negative numbers because the second number is bigger than the first number from which we're subtracting it. So the same strategy that we've discussed for any of these subtraction problems is to take it and turn it into an addition problem with a negative number. So we're changing this subtraction sign into an addition sign and changing the sign of the second number, positive 57, into negative 57. And then we have a positive number, 29, plus a negative number. And we can go through the steps that we did in the very first video that we looked at here today, where we have these questions. Which one has more? Well, there are more negatives. So 57 is the number that has more, and the number that has fewer or less is 29. So we're going to go ahead and subtract 29 from 57. And we can't subtract 9 from 7, so we need to regroup at 5 or 50 and change that to 40 and 17 ones. So 17 minus 9 is 8, and 40 minus 20 is 28. And again, we can look at, are there more positives or negatives after we've gone ahead and changed the subtraction problem into an addition problem? There are more negatives. So negative 57. That means that our answer is going to be a negative number too. So negative 28 is the solution to problem number 4. And number 13, again, very similar. We have 37 minus 49, and we're going to change that subtraction problem into an addition problem. So now we have 37 plus negative 49. And now we are adding a negative number, 49, and a positive number together. So we can go ahead and take and add those. Here we go. Which number has more is the question we want to ask first. And the number that has more is 49. How many negatives do we have? 49 negatives. And from that, we're going to subtract the number with less, which is 37. And that's easy to do. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 4 tens minus 3 tens is 1 10, 12. And again, more positives or negatives? More negatives. So the answer is going to be a negative number. 49 negatives, and you take away the 37 positives, what you're left with is 12 negatives. And that is the answer to number 13. So go ahead and try these practice problems, the problems that are grouped with number 4 and 13, where you're taking a positive number and subtracting a larger positive number. Again, the strategy is to take and change subtraction problems into addition problems by changing the sign of the second number, because it's really easier to solve.